Hi everyone, it's Lee here at Gnome and Backyard, and I have what I think is just the sweetest little craft for you today. I found these adorable little puppy trick-or-treat signs at the Dollar General for $1, and I'm absolutely loving this. And since here at Gnome and Backyard we are dog people, I did get two, and I am leaving this one alone just like it is because I think this is just the sweetest little pup. But for this guy, you know what we're gonna do. We're gonna give him a Gnomeover. So the first thing we're gonna do is take some hot glue, fold his ears back, now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of faux fur, and I did choose black because I wanted to stick with the puppy is black, and I know these right here are his paws, but we're going to make these into our little gnome's feet. So I'm just going to put some hot glue along the top of my faux fur, and then attach it right to our puppy. It looks like our puppy has a beard. How funny is that? Next thing we're going to do is I have a sock from the Dollar Tree, and I'm actually just going to stuff it with a plastic bag. And I am just putting our sock right on top of our puppy's head, down where our beard meets the puppy. I stuffed it so we could have a little bit of depth to it, and I am going to fold it over and hot glue it on itself. So now we just have our hat. It's folded over. It looks like a little droopy gnome's hat. We're going to add a wooden bead for his nose. It's flat on one side and rounded on the other side. How cute is this little guy? Now, to me, these are his feet, and he's a little short gnome sitting on top of the pumpkin. Or they could be his hands and he's holding the pumpkin. It's all up to you. I'm going to add a little spider to the tip of his hat. And then all we have to do is add a ribbon to hang him and he'll be done. You guys, how adorable is he? I am absolutely loving him. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of black ribbon, crisscross it, and hot glue it right to the back of my sock. Okay, you guys. This little guy sitting on top of this pumpkin, I don't know, he looks like he's up to some trouble if you ask me, but I still think he's adorable. Well, I hope you get the chance to craft him also, And thank you so much for continuing to support Gnome and Backyard by sprinkling our videos and visiting our website. We truly do appreciate it. And until we craft again, have a great day.